most welcome to Sanjek TV. Please subscribe and click the notification link so that you can be a first person to get a video from Sanjek TV. Like, share and comment for more advice. 7 reasons of why you may not get into marriage without know this reason. This reason will enable you to make a good choice of a person you want to live with. The first reason is to get an assistant or helper. We marry so as to get a helper in health, economic and social matter. This is because you can't do everything without a helper. You can be unable to do certain tasks, but he or she can be able. In such, she or he can help you. Assistant help you to make successful decision making and the successful performance of your activities for your mental and physical well-being. So if you are among those who want to marry, you should know this so as to get a helper and not the only image of man or woman. Your choice will decide either to have a helper or not. So be careful on making choice. The second reason is to ensure continuance of generation. You want to marry because you want to ensure continuance of generation. There are many generations, but you are also emphasized with yourself, your parents, your relative and your community. Your parents and you become more happy once you got a child. So if you want to marry, don't afraid this. Also, ensuring of continuance of generation does not mean to have many children that you can't meet their needs. Plan to have a family planning before getting to marriage. The third reason, to enable you to be free from home household. If you are living and you are grown, your parents will not continue to treat you as a young son or daughter, and you also will be acting one another way that does not please parents. But most is that yourself you want to be free so as to do your own business with your wife or husband. You will be free from your home, parent kingdom or household if you plan and make preparation early to have your own house. Before getting into marriage, plan to do today so as to have a happy family. Fourth reason, to get a protector or a watchkeeper. A woman or man who is interested with marriage will protect his or her person from mental, physical and spiritual challenge. A wife will protect her husband and also the husband protect his wife. For example, a wife protects her husband from sexual transmitting diseases like HIV, and also the wife keep the house property and the children. The fifth reason why you marry is to enable you to get adult status. Most people in a society who are respected are those who married. For example, in most countries, the contestant of different representative position should be married. So it is important to know this if you want to marry, so that you can have a successful and happy marriage as you are being respected in society. If you don't marry while you are grown, people will not have respect greater than who married. Respect your marriage, your family for successful life. The sixth reason, to permit romantic love. Romantic love is an essential part of marriage. So if you decide to marry, it means you permit sex with your wife or husband. If a wife or husband fail to satisfy another in romantic love, then marriage will be a bad situation. So if you are a one who plan to marry, you should learn how to ensure romantic love for your wife or husband. 7 reason. Influence of harassment caused by society or parents. It is true to say that some people are not willing to get into marriage because of fear caused by economic hardship, psychological and physical factor. But the society can influence or force one to get into marriage. And also some men or women get into marriage due to the society culture as they born and live while other people are marrying. So they watch and they understand that. But in order to have successful marriage, you should first consider yourself rather than society influence or bad. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more video, share and comment for more advice. We thank you that you have enjoyed a lot. Welcome to another video that the videos that speak about things that make a fiance to be acceptable. Don't let this video pass you. We wish you all the best.